Over the March Labor Day long weekend in Melbourne, the biennial Newport Railway Workshops Open Day is back on again, and here's all the information that you need to know if you're planning on attending. In 2024, the historic 135-year-old Newport Railway Workshops will be a hive of activity with everything railways, both big and small. This year will see over 50 steam and diesel locomotives over two sites, being Newport Workshops and the Newport Railway Museum, with rolling stock and displays from Steamrail, 707 operations, the Victorian Goldfields Railway, Mornington, Walhalla, Yarra Valley, Daylesford and Puffing Billy, with working demonstrations running throughout the weekend. Witness these grand locomotives up close and personal, look inside the cabin, maybe even blow the whistle. There will also be vintage electric tape and Hitachi trains to see how we once commuted around Melbourne. There'll be miniature trains from the Diamond Valley Railway and Gisborne Vintage Machinery Society, as well as special guests from the Sunbury Model Railway Club with their layout Gisborne, Amra Victoria with their layout Maryborough, and the Melbourne L-Gauge Train Club with their completed Lego model of Newport Workshops. Retailers like Trainworld will also be in attendance for all your model railway needs. The Sunbury Model Railway Club will also be holding a large raffle with prizes valued at over $3,000. As well as all the sights and sounds of this wonderful event, there will also be guided tours of the workshop and clock tower buildings. See vintage machinery, former military vehicles, historical cars and buses on display, as well as face painting and live music. There will also be refreshments in Club Car Moorabool, a sausage sizzle at Dermpav, and food trucks with more to be announced soon. Tickets to the open day include entry to the Newport Railway Museum, located a 5-minute walk down the road, where you can explore their historical railway collection, including Victoria's biggest locomotive, Heavy Harry, and many other interesting railway artefacts. Now, getting there is easy with frequent metro train services from the Melbourne CBD to Newport Railway Station, with a free shuttle bus taking you right to the gate, as well as that there is limited free parking available on Champion Road. But do stay tuned for more travel options to be announced soon. Tickets are now available from the Steamrail website, priced at $30 for adults, $15 for persons under 17 and $75 for a family. Tickets will be available on the gate for all 3 days, but it is recommended to pre-book to avoid potential long queues. Gates will be open from 10 to 5 on all 3 days, and if you do have any further questions or queries, please reach out to Steamrail directly via their email or social media. So I hope to see lots of you at what is set to be a truly unmissable event and a great day out for everyone. I'll see you at the open day. Hooroo!